Hey mini enthusiasts, how you doing? I hope you've all had a great week. It's Friday evening for me, so I'm filming this after work on Friday, and this will be going out Saturday. So this video is just the subscriber giveaway, just to give you some more details about how you can enter, and basically what we do as soon as I hit 1275 subscribers, which shouldn't be that far away now. We'll choose who the winner is, and I will give you details of the prize now. So I think it's quite a good one, should be quite exciting. It's absolutely blowing a gale outside at the moment, so like I say, it's Friday evening for me. Sounds like a hurricane outside. It isn't quite that, but I think they're forecasting sort of 50 to 70 mile an hour winds. They called it Storm Deirdre, I think, so it doesn't sound very intimidating, does it? But anyway, just moving on. So like I say, this is for 1275 subscribers. We're not there yet, but you need to enter now to be able to win at 1275. The reason I'm doing it is really just to say thanks. So I started vlogging really tail end of last year, beginning of this year. I think I had a couple of hundred subscribers at the time, and it's just sort of grown from there. So I'm quite amazed that I've got, you know, over 1,000 now, and it'd be interesting to see where it goes actually. But if you'd have told me a year ago I'll have 1275 subscribers, I wouldn't have believed you. But we're there now. Really for me it's just to say thank you to everyone that subscribed. I think everyone, to be honest, is genuinely nice. No one ever puts any bad comments. Get the occasional thumbs down, fair enough. People are not going to like all your content, but in general, found the YouTube community really supportive, really interactive. Lots of people ask me questions. I always try to come back with an answer and give you a bit of feedback. And people have helped me out along the way. So help via, you know, pointing me in the right direction of things. I don't know everything. And just a bit of moral support really. So there's times when, you know, you just can't be bothered to get on with a car, but sort of doing the YouTube stuff gives you the motivation to go even further. So moving on to the prize draw then. So there's a couple of rules I need to talk about first. I did actually do a little bit of research and just check that you're allowed to do it with YouTube, because I know there's rules for everything. I think it's okay, fingers crossed. One of the ones it said actually is I've got to let you know that this is not sponsored by anyone, so it's out my own money. It's not sponsored by anyone. It's definitely not sponsored by YouTube, and this will be a non-monetized video as well. So there's no, you know, I don't earn on the back of you watching it or anything like that. So yeah, those were in the rules. And there's some rules around the competition itself. So you must be a subscriber. So you need to be a subscriber to my channel. If you take part in the contest, you're not a subscriber, unfortunately I'll have to pick another winner. So you need to be a subscriber. You need to agree for me to give out your YouTube username. That's it. So once you've won, I'll announce who you are. If you're happy with that, then enter the competition. If you don't want to give your name out, unfortunately, please don't enter. But if you do enter, like I say, I'll announce the winner as your username. I'm not going to give away any other details or anything like that. And finally, if you do win, you just need to give me a couple of details so I can get the prize to you. So that's either an email address and potentially a home address so I can post something to you. So as long as you're happy with all those things, then please feel free to enter. And all you've got to do is take a guess. You must be a subscriber. So there's that's it really. You know, hit the thumbs up if you like the video. Like I say, you must be a subscriber. That's it. So let me tell you a bit about the competition. So I think rather than give something away, because it's really difficult, you know, if I give away a mini part or something like that, it's got you know, I might be giving away something you've already got or something you don't need. So I think what I'm going to do, I'm just going to give away some mini spares vouchers, because then you can spend them on whatever you like. And I'll tell you what I'll do actually. If you watch this video and I don't know, you're into Land Rovers or something like that, let me know when you win. And I don't know, maybe it'll definitely be vouchers, but maybe I can do a Land Rover, you know, classic part supplier or something like that. But in essence, I assume it's going to be mini people's watching. So if you win the contest, you will get some mini spares vouchers. The amount of mini spares vouchers you get is, well, that's a bit of guesswork to be done here, and that's a competition. So how are you going to enter? So like I say, you must be a subscriber, and then all you have to do is guess how much money is in my little piggy bank. So this is my little pottery model of PL. I'll try and put it up a little bit closer. I don't know if you can see the detail. We actually done these at the beginning of the year. It was a kind of bright mini club day out. We went to a little pottery place. You paint your cars, so I done PL. And I've just been dropping my spare change in it for the last, I don't know, not for a long time, probably last 2 months. I hate carrying around change in my pocket, so generally if I come home from work with a pocket full of change, it goes in the piggy bank. I'll stick the odd quid in there, but generally if it's under £1 it goes in there, and it's almost full up to the brim now, so I'll continue putting money in there until we hit 1,275 subscribers. There's no notes in there, sorry guys and girls. It's coins, but all you have to do is guess how much money is in the little mini money box, and then when we hit 1,275 subscribers, I'll count how much money's in there, and whoever has guessed the closest, I'll round it up to the next 5. I think whoever guesses the closest will get that equivalent amount in mini spares vouchers. Sounds quite straightforward, doesn't it? Well, I hope it does anyway. So there's not going to be thousands of pounds in there, so don't get too excited. Like I say, I'll drop the odd few pound coins in there every now and again. Normally it's 50s, 20s, things like that. Like I say, how much do you reckon? It'll be, I reckon that'll be full up by the time I get to 1275. If you want to get a bit scientific, I bought some scales with me, so let's weigh it and see how much weight there is. I'm not going to tell you how much the pottery weighs actually, so so it's in grams. 1,085 grams, so just over 1 kilo, almost 1.1 kilos. So yeah, what do you reckon? So just to sum up, you've got a comment on this video, so be a subscriber, stick in the comments below how much money you think is in the mini, and I'll tell you what, once you've guessed the monetary amount, just put a little comment on maybe what you'd spend it on. Might be interesting as well. And as I say, as soon as we get to 1,275 subscribers, I will empty the money box. Be more fun to smash it, wouldn't it? You know, more theatre. I don't think I'd do that. I quite like the little model. And we'll add it up. Whoever's closest wins mini spares vouchers. So good luck, guys. And yeah, hopefully it'll be in a few weeks' time. So catch up with you soon. Thanks, guys. Cheers for watching. Bye.